Dito pala sa Hamana Home, sir, we have different types of houses.
Yes,
so we have the single attached, which is Niana, and then duplex naman, which is Miana.
Yes.
So Miana naman comes with a minimum lot area of 80 square meter and usable floor area of more or less 54 square meter. So as you can see, the difference between the single attached and the duplex. So pag duplex kasi may dalawang bahay na magkatabi. Dalawa, that's why they call it duplex. And of course, dito sa ano niya, sir, sa gilid, you have the provision for at least two carport, and it's up to you kung nasa inyo kung pwede nyong expand for another room, which later on
papakita natin mamaya.
Pakita natin. Tapos, yun, excited to show you dito sa loob. Let's go. Ayan, sir.
Actually, Sir Alan, Miana Homes po is the best seller po ng Hamana Homes. So, napansin ko sa mga client natin, if they have financial na pang-naniya, and then they will do the math, instead of having one single attached, they will buy combined unit. That's why I can tell that Miana is our best seller po.
More practical siya, no, sir? And the question here, let's say the client opt to avail two units na Miana, dalawang duplex nga, no? Possible ba na for extension, sir, na pwedeng like an access from one unit to another? Would that be possible?
Yes po. Bali, we will request lang sa engineer's office natin na yung mga room natin sa taas, pwedeng gawing 4 na line, ko-combine yung dalawang room for bigger room siya nun.
Okay. So, the client can request that?
Yes.
Prior to the, like, yung construction?
No, actually after ng
after na.
Yes, after ang letter of guarantee with our financing institution.
Okay. So, parang pansin ko, sir, halos kamukha lang niya si Nanea.
Si Nanea, but bigger siya ng 10 square meter. Yun ang difference niya. Plus the CR, yung toilet and bathroom. Dalawa lang po si Miana. Si Nanea is tatlo.
Tara, sir. So, this is the common toilet and bathroom niya on the ground floor. Ayan. Please show you around. And, of course, kasi sir, sa lahat ng mga in-house tour talaga namin, yung clean kitchen nasa loob, and then another dirty kitchen sa labas. So, this can be expanded to another dirty kitchen or laundry area, no, sir?
Yan, bali 2 meters tayo dito. Back set.
Okay. Let's go sa second floor naman. So, dito sa second floor, we have the master's bedroom here, no, sir? This is where the magic happens. Yun yung tagline ko, sir. So, actually, yung pinaka, niya, sir, wala lang tong toilet and bathroom yung master's niya, no? But, of course, you have the access to your balcony din. Meron din siya.
Look at this balcony. It's a mountain view.
Oo nga, sir. So, can you see that, future homeowners? You have the beautiful view of the majestic Mount Arayat. Ayan, diba? So, pwede kang mag-coffee here, mag-chill during the morning. So, yan. On my background, ayan, kitang-kita yung majestic view ng Mount Arayat. So, dito naman yung common toilet and bathroom niya. So, yan. Pag, they could share naman. So, and right beside the common toilet and bathroom, of course, you have your second room, no, sir? Second room niya.
Second room.
So, yan. Perfect really siya sa mga growing family.
And lastly, para sa ating bunso, our third room po. Yan.
Yan. So, dito, sir, again, yung kanina, so pwede siya for 2 carport actually. But, it's the option or discretion ng client if they will going to expand, just like dito na, sir.
Yes,
so,
po.
Sige, sir, kindly show them around what's...
actually, Miana and Nanea and the Lamea and unit, they have all provision for expansion po. So, dito po, pinakita namin na pwede siyang gawin isang room. Especially, this is for
senior citizen, no, sir?
Yes,
pwede,
if you're living with your parents na senior citizen na sila, instead of going on the second floor, meron po silang room dito sa baba. Ayan po, pasilip po yan.
Ayan. So perfect siya talaga kapag you have like the older senior citizen, no? But when it comes to the cost, sir, they will be the one to shoulder for the expansion na.
Yes po. Kasi ano yan mayroon po siyang disadvantage kapag isinama siya sa TCP.
Yes.
So instead of yung unit natin is not vatable, pag in-add natin to, mababat tayo.
I
So
see.
mas maganda na
Sila na lang.
yes po.
Para hindi na ma-subject for 12% VAT,
VAT,
yung
yes.
unit nila, no, sir?